So we've already looked at how to add or subtract fractions with a common denominator. Now what happens when the denominators are different? Well, we're going to have to use that least common denominator, which is going to take into account the least common multiple that we have previously done before. Now remember, some of these, if the numbers are really big, this could get tedious. If you don't find the least common denominator, that's okay. A lot of times what students like to do is multiply the denominators together and then reduce later, and that's fine. But let's see if we want to do it the other way. So 4 is 2 times 2, and 2 is just 2. So remember, we circle anything they both have. So that means that our denominator is going to be 2 times 2, which is 4. So the 3/4 is not going to change. But over here, if I want to make this a 4 on the bottom, 2 times what gave me 4? 2. So I'm going to take the numerator and multiply by 2. So that gives me 3 minus 2 over 4. So my final answer is just 1/4. Did you get it faster? It's okay. I tried to start with a really basic one. Now what happens if it's a little bit harder? We've got 8 and 5. Now some of you right off the bat are going to say, I'm going to take 8 times 5, it's going to be 40. Well, if you want to check and make sure that's right, we're going to find the factors of 8. So I've got 8, 16, 24, 36, and 40. Well, you know right off the bat, the only one that ends in a 5 or a 0 is going to be that 40, but just in case, we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. So we found out that 40 is the factor they have in common. So this time, I've got 40, and I've got 40. So 8 times what was 40? Well, 8 times 5. And 5 times what is 40? 8. So 2 times 8. So I'm going to have 5 plus 16 over 40. And 5 plus 16 is 21 over 40.